Hey everyone, welcome to Joom United official channel. Today, I want to share with you about WP Media Folder, a powerful plugin that transforms OneDrive Business into your WordPress Media Library. OneDrive for Business is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that's part of the Office 365 suite. It lets organizations store, share, and collaborate on files securely in the cloud. With OneDrive, you can access your documents from anywhere, work together with team members in real time, and keep track of file versions easily. To upgrade your team's workflow even more, today we'll dive in how to connect and use your OneDrive Business as your WordPress Media Folder cloud. This means you can access to your OneDrive Business material and files directly from WordPress without extra hassles. So let's look into it. Before we start using the OneDrive integration, we need to link our OneDrive account to our WordPress site. To do this, go to the Settings section in WordPress and click on WP Media Folder. Then, move to the Cloud tab and select the OneDrive option. Right down below the OneDrive Personal is the Business option. Choose the Automatic Connection option, which will save you the trouble of creating your own app on the developer console. Once you've selected that, look for the Connect button in the tab. Click on it, follow the steps, set any access limitations, and log into your OneDrive account. Once you've completed these steps, we're ready to go. Remember, this is the easy automatic connector. If you have a OneDrive account, you can also create your own application and enter your credentials here. You'll have the option to choose between OneDrive private and public media link types. This determines the default link used when you insert cloud media on a page. A public link generates an accessible link for your file, while a private link keeps the file link hidden. Let's move on to the next part and explore the media library with the OneDrive connection. Now that you've linked your OneDrive business account to your WordPress site, take a peek at your media library. It's got a new addition. Alongside the regular media folder on WordPress, you'll spot a shiny new section labeled OneDrive Business. This means your WordPress media library now taps into your OneDrive storage. This grants you direct control to manage, shift, upload, and organize files right within WordPress. A fresh root folder sets up shop in your OneDrive storage, keeping everything synced with this part of your WordPress media library. It keeps every essential function of media folders such as configuration of file and folders. You can create a new folder anywhere without any limitation, moving, delete files and folders that are no longer in use. Change a folder name or color for better management just by right-click on it and select the according settings. With perfectly synchronizing between OneDrive Business and Media Folder, you can working with your files seamlessly using this plugin. And by synchronizing, I mean the connection are two ways. It's mean the files you upload, moving, delete, rename or whatever using Media Folder will affect your OneDrive Business storage as well and the other way around. For example, all the files I just uploaded into this brand new folder on Media Files will also appear on my OneDrive Business. Navigate to your OneDrive, look out for My Files section. There will be a new folder inside called Media Folder Automatic. This is where all your files are connecting. Now that's intriguing, right? Having a mean to connect both your storage not just increase your work's efficiency, but it's also helped you to reduce the stress of looking for files when your storage are too big. Now that the matter of connecting your OneDrive Business storage to the WordPress Media Library is done, you might be wondering if you can actually use that media in your WordPress content, like on a page. Well, the answer's a resounding yes. Check it out. Let's head over to my page, built using Elementor. I'll find the image widget, drag it into place, and select a media file from my OneDrive stash that I added earlier. See how seamlessly it displays? And not just on your Elementor or Divi, you can add it as selling products in WooCommerce. With all the files integrating as your WordPress files, things like this are totally normal and workable. To wrap things up, let's look at the pricing for this integration. In addition to the OneDrive personal connection we just covered, the WordPress Media Folder plugin offers several other great features, such as PDF embed, file download, and other cloud connectors like Dropbox and OneDrive, among others. It's also compatible with popular third-party plugins like Divi Builder, Gutenberg, and Elementor, which I demonstrated earlier in this video. The plugin is available for $49, but if you want to use the Cloud Connectors add-on, like OneDrive Personal, you'll need to upgrade to the $69 option, which includes all the integrations I mentioned. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day. Bye.